Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to fix file system error on Windows 10. Method 1. Run System Restore. Method 2. Run Check Disk. Method 3. Run System File Checker and DISM. Method 4. Run Malware, virus scan of your entire PC system. Method 5. Set Windows 10 theme to default. Method 6. Change sound scheme of your PC system. Method 7.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can fix most Windows 10 boot problems using the Startup Repair tool, and here's how to do it. Instead of spending time trying to find out the problem, Windows 10 includes the Startup Repair feature designed to quickly fix most common issues that may be preventing your computer from loading correctly.
Take our lead.
Most common causes of file system corruption are due to improper shutdown or startup procedures, hardware failures, or NFS write errors. Hardware failures could be a bad block on disk, a bad disk controller, a power outage, or accidental unplugging of the system.
Let's help you make your mark.
From the desktop, press the Win plus X hotkey combination and from the menu select Command Prompt, Admin. Click Yes on the User Account Control, UAC, prompt that appears. Once the blinking cursor appears, type SFC, Scanow. Press the Enter key. SFC will start and check the integrity of Windows system files.
Take our lead.
Go to Settings, Applications and Features. From here you should look for the application in question. You will not be able to do anything unless you enter the advanced options. Here you will see an option called Reset and that, pressing it will solve the problem.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.